So just a real quick video here, which is something that I'm going to be sending to Samsung as part of a request for support. Now, as we can see here, this is the spine or the hinge section of a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. And as we can clearly see, a part of the paintwork has come off. Now, this hasn't been bumped or scratched in any way. And if I just get as close as I can on a zoom in here, you can see around where that paint is missing, there is clearly no evidence of anything hitting the phone or scratching it. So as far as I'm aware, this is actually a manufacturing defect in the paintwork. Now, unfortunately, this is just going to get worse and spread. And as it does that, any type of moisture, say moisture off your hand or anything, let alone rain, if that starts getting onto that area there, it will definitely start making things worse. Things might start corrode or rust and whatnot. Anyways, like I said, I just thought I'd do this quick video and show it to other people as well as Samsung, because if you've got a Flip 4 or if you're thinking about buying a Flip 4, this is something that you may want to double check for yourself on the spine or the hinge area of your Flip 4, and just make sure that there are no signs that there is any defect within the paintwork, such as bubbling or flaking or anything like that. Anyway, like I say, just a real quick video, and what I'm going to do is follow this video up after I've actually had my response from Samsung and see how far I get with support for a replacement for this phone, because this is only about a week old, so hopefully Samsung are just going to swap it straight out for me.